Hey guys! Okay, so as some of you may know, recently I've moved into a new office. So new office space, new environment, tapi ada satu benda that still sticks with me till today, which is my security with SECOM Smart Malaysia. Jom, follow me. So the best thing about SECOM Smart is that I do not need to use any cards whatsoever to open my door. All I need to do is just masuk ke SECOM Smart Security app and just buzz open. So just a tap away and so the other day, SECOM team came to my office and installed the system within just a day. There is a new feature called the Visual Verification Service. What it does is that it can pick up a specific clips and images in the event of any serious issues before relaying it to the Central Monitoring Service agents, who will be able to alert the authorities as soon as possible. So in that way, I'm able to have a continued peace of mind, especially with the new feature that gives around-the-clock 360-degree security for me and my staff. So if you're looking for a security system, click the link below and keep yourself safe with SECOM Smart Malaysia.